Siya na, una. Paano sa patay?
Oo, siya na una.
Sabi una.
Good job!
Wow! Yun.
Yan, see? Yay! Good job!
2 out of 3 again. The others will put the square on top of where they left. So they alam mo siya yung screen.
Yay!
It's 3 out of 3. Oh, you're not looking. Look at that. So alam mo careless yun.
Careless.
Kasi nakuha niya yung unang dalawa. Kaya lang tumingin na siya doon. Oh, you're not looking. Can you please finish? Yes. Okay.
Yay!
Want some more? Want some more?
Ay, Dok, sabi mo saan sa nabibili. Hindi ganyan mga toys. Gusto ko siya may mga wood.
Okay.
Okay,
And then,
hirap-hirap
bigyan
to.
lang para makawakan at hindi masubo. Kasi pag maliit yan, susubo na. See, hindi ba lang siya hindi
hesitate.
Siya try and miss. Diretso siya. Pansin mo?
Yan, diretso nga. Tingnan na natin to.
Yes, matalino lahat ang nagbabantay. At hindi lang nanonood ng teleserye.
Correct! Ayan, hirap yan. Nainis,
Nakaka-frustrate for her.
Kasi hindi ma-fit. Yan. Yay! Okay.
So let her get to it. We're not finished.
Finish. You can do it, Anya.
There!
There. Oops.
Sorry. Kasi even if, look she's so gifted. If she's potentially gifted yan.
Yay! Good job!
Her
Next.
biological age is 6. I'm challenging her. So her age,
Walang color. Her age.
kumbaga, she can do more than what her chronological age can do. Motor-wise, ang kamay niya, talaga ako 1 year, 11 na. So, pwede siya mag-fumble. Okay.
Hirap-hirap to.
Where's that shape?
Good. Good job. Tingnan natin iba. Oo, alam agad,
Di ba nasusurprise ang mami?
Oo, alam niya.
Ay, nung anak niya.
Yan, oo.
Kaya nakuha kanya, katalino.
Kaya, Doc, huwag niyo ipo-point,
Alam niyo ba
natin.
flag niyan, Doc?
O, teka, magsasin yung video ko eh. Tingnan natin kung... Oops. Yun. Tingnan natin kung mapa-perfect na to. Without pointing, Kasi wala tayo niya sa house eh. Tingnan natin. You can do it, Anya. Alam niya, na doon lalagay. Ikaw na lang daw, Doc. Binigay. Help daw, help.
Yeah, good job.
Look. Ups, doon to. Ayan mo siya. Sino ko kung alam.
Look na Doc. Triangle. Where's the triangle?
Whoops.
Triangle.
She can run up and down the stairs.
Triangle.
Stairs me pa.
Triangle.
Not yet. With assistance. Yes.
Ang 2.5.
Triangle.
Are we attempting to toilet train?
Sa morning. Yung wiwi sa morning. Pero pupo hindi pa. Finish.
Golden.
Oo.
You saw the triangle. Look again.
Triangle.
Yeah. Hi.
You can do it.
No, you can. Come on.
Do it, Anya. Get it. Get, Anya, get. You can do it.
Again.
You can do it.
Turn. Again.
Hindi siya patient eh.
Yeah, that's the last one. And top. Turn around. Good job.
Yay! Oh. Hindi siya patient. Yung...
As long as she's tapos ka na mag-breastfeed,
Tapos na.
bottle feeding, mag-repair sa diaper.
Okay.
Yay, good job.
So, ito I'm offering it both on the
Star.
left and on the right, so I'll know which
Star.
part is your hand
There's the
preference.
star.
Mukhang right eh.
Which can use your hand.
Yeah. Oh,
Good
good job.
job. Huwag muna daw, good job.
Yeah.
No.
Not there.
You can do it.
Oh.
You can see it.
Alam niya na yan eh. See? Nahiya lang siya magkamali.
Where's that?
Hindi ba eh. Hindi, kaya niya, kaya. You can do it, Anya. Look for it. Oh, good. Turn, turn, turn. Do it, do it, do it.
Wow! Okay, what's this?
So every time tinatawag yung tumitingin ka niya.
Oo. Except pag sobrang busy, pero alam mo narinig ka niya.
Nagtatantrums. Okay, dead ma. Huwag niyo yung papansin. Huwag siya nagwawala, hindi niyo yung tatawagin. Huwag niyo yung sabihin, stop it. The more you do it, the more she's going to do it. Kasi, oh yes it is. Kasi yung,
Yan ang kanyang manipulative.
audience.
Put it there.
No audience, no time.
Ah,
So nobody
okay.
will even ask her to stop. Let her carry out her, her
Uh-uh.
Yeah,
tantrum.
put it there.
Again, it's expected of age.
Last na yun.
So, just like it's your last one, you can do it.
Very good.
Good job! Clap for Anya. So, you mean pag nasa mall, nagtatrum,